My name's Marty, welcome to this video series on building your own TE style electric guitar kit from Guitar Kit World. So in the following video I'm going to show you how I put together this particular guitar. We're going to cover the four main areas of kit guitar building, including finishing, installing your hardware, connecting up your electronics, and then doing a basic final setup. So if you've never built a kit guitar before or don't have specialist tools, don't worry, I'm not a luthier myself. In fact, I'm not even all that handy. But just about anyone can put together a guitar like this, just with the basic tools and a little bit of patience. Okay, so the guitar we're working with today is a TE style guitar kit featuring mahogany body, maple neck, engineered ebony fretboard with dot inlays, and of course the ashtray style bridge with single coil pickup in the back and single coil pickup at the neck. We've also got three-way selector switch, tone and volume. Okay, so from here I'm going to take the video back to the very start of the build, and we're going to start by putting the guitar